Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to fix silenced calls on iPhone. So let's begin right away. So there are actually three steps I can suggest in fixing the silence calls on iPhone. So the first one is to make sure to restart your phone. To do that, just simply press and hold on the upper volume key and your power button and turn off your phone. And then simply turn it on by pressing only on the power button. And then for the second step, I would suggest to open your settings and then scroll down and look for phone, which is this one. So click on phone and then make sure to click on announce calls and click on always. So this basically means that it will always announce incoming calls. And then for the third step, simply scroll down on the same page and look for silence unknown colors. So click on silence unknown colors and make sure to turn off this option. To turn it off, simply click on the toggle button and make sure that it has turned into gray and not green. So what this basically do is that all those colors with unknown numbers or the numbers that have not been saved on your contacts will be not silenced anymore. So just a recap, the first step is to um, restart your phone. And then the second step is to go to phone right here on settings, go to announce calls and click always. And then for the third step, go to silence unknown colors and turn off this option. So that's it. That's how you can fix silence calls on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.